Dito kami sa airport. Ihahatid namin ang dalaga namin kasi pabalik na siya. Today nga pala is July 4. Yan. So, American Airport yung sasakyan niya.
Gadget, if you make it for kids, if you like sign in, and if you say that the person you're giving it to is a kid or it's your daughter.
Meron silang little gallery area dito.
You're at checkpoints.
So, alas 2 pa lang and ang flight niya is 3:45. So, we're almost
I'd be bad.
to.
Yes, but the bodyguard works too.
Sassy car.
All of my bodyguards are here. Look,
All of your bodyguards?
all of my bodyguards are here.
Wow, that is sky.
All of my bodyguards are here.
Wow. What's this?
You have to split this. Make space.
Then ito.
Or delete the A and say what burger.
So ito, kung gusto nyong mag-inquire, nakalagay talaga yung mga email address nila. And then, ito, cute ito siya.
I think I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
This is my
And
pet.
then,
And
yan,
this is my
for
bodyguard.
inquiries. Yep.
We're gonna go to.
Nice.
Sitting in the
Cute yung painting. And guess what that is? Nyek, restroom. Meron ding mga books dito. Wow. So while waiting for your flight, you can sit down, relax, read some books. You know. Ito, oh, I like this one. So cute. I like her beauty. So dito tayo. So dito naman, this is their musical instrument gallery. Yan. See?
I don't know if there's sugar at the bottom. I think there's sugar at the bottom.
Meron ditong
At the end. That's even bigger.
mini. Mas mga exhibit nila. Yan.
I don't have to play a flute. I mean, only one specific one.
You sure it's not a burger or something?
Si Daddy. Look at this. Are these some kind of musical instruments as well? Wow. As well as the frog. Oh, wow. I miss traveling already. Sure. It might look nice, but it's really a lot of hassle. Yeah. Oh yeah, so you can so you can relax. You need to relax, really.
By order of the Transportation Security Administration, if you plan to travel with liquids, gels, or aerosols in your carry-on bag, remember 3-1 water. All liquids, gels,
Maghahanap lang kami ng guys ng mauupuan kasi matagal pa yung flight ng dalaga namin. So, yeah. Ito. Okay dito kasi meron kang kumbaga makikita, no? Not just, hindi lang magpupo. Char. Ha? Ano? Naghihintay na lang kami, guys. So, may bana, yung asawa, he was hurrying me when we were in the house because he don't want to get late. Yeah. But it's always an advantage. Right, Daddy? Of course. So, pa-relax-relax na lang kami. Yan. Tapos ang amo ang babies na agad sa trabaho. Right, Daddy? Yan. Thank you sa'yo. So, it's so funny kahapon kasi pumunta kami kahapon pumunta kami kahapon ng beach pagkatapos namin pumunta doon sa Fort Castello sa St. Augustine. Tapos pag-uwi namin, nagtaka ka kung bakit so we were my husband was driving like peacefully, should I say?
Eyes going like that.
Yeah, oo. Sus, tapos na it wasn't a rear end, it's like a side swept, Daddy, no? Yeah, na side swept kami nung driver. Yan, galit na galit yung asawa ko kasi parang nakikipag-race siya sa daan, and to think na kaayo, peaceful kaayo yung
I
yung
figured
daan,
in 5
yung
minutes.
highway.
Julie, I figured in 5 minutes.
She'll be boarding.
So
Oh,
I want to
2:40.
be there by 3. By 3.
Oh dear. Mag-boarding na yung dalaga namin. So, ayun guys. I mean, we had a very beautiful day yesterday. Tapos, na-relax may patulog-tulog mi dito sa beach. Tapos, pag-uwi namin, yun yung nangyari. Tapos, nasarhan na kami ng restaurant. Kasi plano namin na sa restaurant na lang kami kumain, mag-dinner. So, nag-close na yung restaurant. But we are okay. Hassle nga lang kasi we had to wait for the trooper to come. Pero hindi naman masyadong malaki yung damage. Parang lang, nagka-scratch lang yung sasakyan namin. Kasi it's so funny kasi yung sasakyan niya sa front side ng sasakyan niya medyo gilid, may scratch siya at saka may dent. So siguro yung dent that was from his previous accident as well. Yeah, kasi hindi naman malakas yung pagkabangga niya sa amin. Almost hindi nga namin namalayan, pero nakita ng asawa ko na nagka-scratch yung side ng aming sasakyan, which is walang scratch yun dati. Hay na lang. And then medyo bata pa siya. Ilagay ko dito yung very short clip na kinuha ng asawa ko. Kasi of course, when you get an accident, di ba dapat picturean mo talaga, ganun. Pero wala namang confrontation na nangyari na, okay naman siya. We'll visit you, Julie.
Definitely.
Yeah. And you keep in contact with Ate Julie, okay? You can call her anytime, okay? When she's not working. Yeah. Yeah.
Hold up, Papa.
Okay.
We'll walk over there so we can get our hugs over there.
Yeah. Ayun na. Ay, dalaga na ang among baby. So, punta lang tayo ng parking lot. Okay. Parking lang. Oh, over there on the left.
See the scratch?
Oh, wait. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung scratch, guys, ha? Sandali lang. Let me see. Oh, yan. Oh, ito lang yung scratch. Oh, dito. So, it would be very impossible na na-dent yung sasakyan niya.
How do you make sure?
So, imposible masyado na yung dent is from the accident kahapon. So, siguro, aksidente din siya noon. Oh, and sa harap pa talaga. So, meaning palagi siyang nakakabangga.